Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you a simple start-to-finish process for using AI to generate effective discussion starters and to create a rubric all in real time. Using this approach, you can quickly come up with lesson materials that are customized to meet your students' needs. First, I'm going to start by using the voice-to-text tool to input my prompt. This is great for getting ideas down quickly and shows how you can create content on the fly. So here's my initial prompt. I'm going to click the microphone. Create a table of 10 discussion starter questions on the topic of digital footprints for 6th grade students. In column 1, place each question. In column 2, align each question with the appropriate common sense media digital literacy standard related to online safety and responsible information sharing. In column 3, align each question with a corresponding Common Core ELA standard. And in column 4, provide 2 to 3 suggested ways students could demonstrate their understanding, such as creating visual timelines, recording podcasts, or writing reflective paragraphs. Now I've got a table of information. I've got some question starters. I'm going to export this to a Google Doc, just the particular resource. I want to export the table. I don't want to export the entire chat. It says it's been updated, exported to Google Docs. I'm going to open that up. And here is my lesson materials for that discussion. I can use these as discussion prompts. I know that they're aligned with the standards, both the Common Core or the Common Sense media as well as the Common Core ELA standards. And I also have some suggested activities for students to demonstrate their understanding. We can take this further by setting up rubrics, etc. But for this particular on-the-fly situation, you are given a document with 10 questions that you can use with students right away.